As the tension has escalated between India and Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack, there is no end to the Pakistanis going back to their nation from India. As Indian government has issued a strong directive that yes, they should, any Pakistani national who is living in India on a visa must go back, as all the visas are suspended. And now also after 24th, this thing started when the Pakistanis started leaving back to Pakistan, and now you can see there's a queue at the border already lined up, be it a taxi, be it auto rickshaw. The Pakistanis are taking all means of transport to reach back to their nation after the Modi government issued a very strong direction that they should leave immediately. So although in the past 4 days around more than 500 Pakistanis have gone, and around 800 Indians who are visiting Pakistan have also come back. So Atari Wagah border, which was the only road route between the two nations, is closed, and the Pakistani nationals are in panic and rushing back to their country. Here we have a family which is going back. Ma'am, can I have your name, please?
Yeah, Krishna.
Krishna ji, where do you belong to Pakistan, and why did you come to India?
Sin. I came here because of my relatives. So I'm coming back. I'm going back.
How long was your visit, and have you cut short the visit?
No, I haven't cut short our visit. Our visa was duration around 30 days. So we stayed there 30 days, and now it was the complete of our visa. So that's why we are
Earlier
going
also.
No.
It's your first visit?
No, it's not my first visit. It's my third visit.
Third visit.
Yeah.
And I just want to ask that when this Pahalgam terror attack happened, and this escalation happened between the two nations, there was tension. Were you people also scared and panicked?
Yeah, somehow we were also panic and in the tension that due to the situation of the border.
So what do you want now? There should be peace between the two nations, because the terrorists have killed innocent Indian
Yeah,
tourists.
being a Pakistani, we want peace. Obviously, everyone wants peace, but some people don't want. So that's why these situations happen.
How do you see the Pahalgam incident where innocent Indians were gunned down by the terrorists, sponsored by Pakistan?
Yeah, being a Hindu, that was very wrong. अगर मैं मुस्लिम भी होती तो मैं फिर भी यही कहती कि मैं बहुत गलत हुआ. Being a human, ये मतलब ये चीज बिल्कुल गलत है कि आप innocent people, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, कोई भी हो, ये चीज बहुत गलत है. Innocent people को kill करना, that's very wrong.
And Pakistan is accused of backing terrorism, and it is said that these terrorists who attacked in the Pahalgam were also backed by Pakistan. What the message you want to give to Pakistan for this?
Just message is very simple. Just punish them. What can we do? Just punish them.
So you heard the family from Pakistan which is going back, and it is very important, as he said, that the terrorists, whosoever it is who did the Pahalgam, must be punished, and they want peace between the two nations. From Atari Wagah with camera person Gurish, is Asim Basi, India Today.